Welcome back to the Soft Water Solution. My name's Chad Peterman with Peterman Heating, Cooling, and Plumbing, and we've been talking a lot about how hard Indiana water is. I'm sure you've heard of water softeners and that they are able to take the hardness out of water. But what does that actually mean, you may be asking? The hardness of water is determined by how many heavy minerals are in your water. For Indiana, the biggest cause of our water's hardness is from all the limestone in our state. It's the cause of all that tough buildup on your fixtures, those pesky toilet rings, and that white gunk you often find on your dishes. It's also one of the biggest causes for failed water heaters. Having a water softener installed in your home yields many benefits. We compiled these benefits into what we call the 3 H's. They are health benefits, home protection, and hefty savings. Here is how a single piece of plumbing equipment is able to provide all of those benefits. When a water softener is installed in your home, the water flowing into the home then runs through a tank filled with resin. The resin attracts and traps all of those heavy minerals we talked about that you don't want in your water, allowing for clean, soft water to flow in your home. You might be thinking, wait, I thought a water softener uses salt. That is true. The salt tank is there to clean the resin tank. Every so often, the resin tank is going to fill the salt tank with water, making a brine that when it runs through the resin tank, clears off all that built up sediment. This means that aside from adding salt to the softener, a softener is going to typically maintain itself. Interested in a water softener? Maybe just want to learn a little more? Feel free to visit our website or give us a call. You can also use the link in the description to schedule online, and we'll get a licensed plumber out to your home to take a look at your situation and provide you a free estimate. Come back again next time when we're going to take an in-depth look at how the 3 H's can benefit you and your family. Until then, see you again next time.